What you call it?
The chocolate water fountain.
The chocolate water fountain?
Yeah. And this one.
Wow, that looks so nice and delicious design.
Look. Wow. Look, Mom.
Yeah, I see it by the email.
Mom. She's looking at my design. A long time ago when I was about 4 or 5, she's looking at you keep saying, we are Eritrean. And I'm like, we are Indian? And I would try to dance like Indian, try to get
Iman,
like
what you have in your hand, baby?
chocolate.
Huh?
Chocolate. And were you acting like
Chocolate?
Yeah, I don't chocolate.
Iman, where are you from? Okay, let me ask Ibsam first. Ibsam, where are you from?
A long time ago when I was about 3 years old.
No, I'm asking you right now, where are you from? The truth.
Eritrea.
Okay.
Me.
Where are you from?
Eritrea, at the east of Africa.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask where Iman is from. Iman, where are you from, baby?
India.
You are from India?
Yeah.
Who told you that, baby?
Isam.
Ibsam told you?
Yeah.
Oh. So how we got you? Who got you here? Who stole you as a baby?
Isam.
Ibsam stole you as a baby?
Yeah.
Ibsam, you are a baby stealer. You are a baby stealer, Ibsam. Yes, you are. Okay, so Iman, since you are from India, who's your mommy?
Kama?
Who's your mommy?
She shouldn't be a mommy. She's old.
Grammy is not your mommy. Who's your mommy?
And Tessa.
Insar. Where is Insar from? Hold on.
The Queen of India.
The Queen of India is your mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's her name, the Queen of India?
Jasmine.
Auntie Jasmine is not her mom. Let me ask her. Okay, Iman.
Jasmine.
She lying to you, baby. So who's your mommy? Insar. Where Insar is from?
India.
Your mom is not from India. Your mom is from Africa.
Africa.
Okay, so that will make you African.
And
I don't think you are Indian.
And
Your mom is
also, it
African
would make
and you are African.
And also,
No, you're not from India, huh?
and also, it would make her related to Eritrea, and it would also make her an Asian.
Asian?
And an Indian.
India is in Asia.
And I call her Asian because India is in
Mom,
Asia.
I'm bleeding.
That's it.
I don't think you believe
Hot
in
sauce.
that.
I'm not bleeding now! Yay! It was just sprinkled. I'm bleeding.
Chinga chinga from Africa.
I'm bleeding.
You're bleeding chocolate, Iman?
Yeah.
Let me eat it. I'm gonna chop your finger.
Now me finger bleeding.
I really chopped it.